Welcome to FitFocus 360. If you're looking to strengthen your core without crunches or equipment, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go through a 5-minute beginner-friendly workout that's effective, gentle on your back, and easy to follow. Let's get started. Remember, focus on form, engage your core, and most importantly, breathe. No need for a mat, but feel free to use one for comfort. 1. Lift one knee towards your chest while engaging your core, then switch. Keep a steady pace. This activates your lower abs and warms up your body. 2. Hands at your temples, rotate your torso side to side. Try to bring your elbow towards the opposite knee. This targets your obliques for a strong, sculpted waist. 3. Lie on your back, legs straight. Slowly lift them up towards the ceiling, then lower without touching the ground. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. 4. Sit with knees bent, feet on the floor. Lean back slightly while keeping your back straight, then return upright. This strengthens your deep core muscles without straining your neck. 5. Stand with feet wider than hip width. Reach your right hand towards your left foot, then switch. This improves flexibility while toning your obliques. And that's it. A simple, effective 5-minute core workout that you can do anywhere, no crunches required. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, comment below, and let me know which exercise was your favorite. For more beginner-friendly workouts and fitness tips, make sure to subscribe to FitFocus 360 and follow us for more. See you in the next workout.